In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Visa payment to your Ecwid store. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate Visa payments into your e-commerce setup, ensuring that your customers have a convenient and reliable checkout experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Ecwid account. Once you're logged in, head to the control panel. This is essentially the command center for your store, where you can manage everything from products to settings. Next, you'll need to find and click on the Payments section. This area is where you can view and manage all the payment methods available to your customers. Giving your customers multiple payment options can reduce cart abandonment and is vital for a successful online store. Now, look for the Payment Method Checkout Merchant option. You might see various payment providers here, but in this case you're looking to enable Visa payments. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Just take your time scrolling through the list or use the search function if there is one available. Sometimes the interface will have different options depending on your geographical location or the plan you're on with Ecwid. After selecting your desired payment processor that supports Visa cards, you'll need to connect your account. This involves authorizing the payment processor to work with your Ecwid store. A new window or prompt might appear asking you to log in and grant necessary permissions. Make sure you have all the required details on hand, such as your account information or any security questions you might need to answer. Once you've successfully authorized the connection between your Ecwid store and the payment processor, you're essentially set to begin accepting Visa payments. It's really as simple as that. You might want to do a few test transactions to ensure everything is operating smoothly. After all, a seamless payment experience keeps your customers happy and coming back for more. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've equipped your e-commerce site to accept Visa payments, offering a reliable way for your customers to complete their purchases. As always, maintaining various payment options is crucial in today's digital marketplace, so consider expanding to additional payment methods later if you haven't already. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and guides. Your feedback and questions are invaluable, so feel free to leave comments below. Happy selling, and see you